Did you know that Apicius, often hailed as the world's first celebrity chef, once traveled thousands of miles just to eat a shrimp? Marcus Gavius, Apicius. Not just a cook, but a maestro of flavor, renowned for his audacious feasts and daring gastronomic delights. Apicius is credited as the inventor of foie gras and pushed the boundaries of cuisine with rare and exotic flavors. Flamingo tongue, anyone? His masterpiece, De Re Coquinaria, among the earliest cookbooks, immortalizing his culinary vision. Yet, his relentless quest for opulence led him to financial despair, an extravagant rise and a heart-wrenching fall. Today, Apicius's saga echoes as a warning and an ode to enduring culinary passion, sparking inspiration in modern chefs. So, remember Apicius, the gourmand whose legacy thrives, ever binding life and flavor.